So welcome back to the next module, that is Linux web server. Let's move on with the Linux web server. We know for web services, Apache is there. Apache web server is the most commonly used web server on Linux system. It is an open source web server that is available for Linux servers free of charge. So talking about Apache website hosting, Apache supports multiple website hosting on a single server. You can see www.techpledge.com, www.tpcs.com, and just go, and it supports multiple websites hosting on a single server. There are actually two types of hosting. One is IP address based hosting and second is name based virtual hosting. For IP address based hosting, we need to have a different IP for every website that we are hosting, and the IPs are then attached to a single or multiple NICs. So this is how it works. The IPs are to be different for every website, and then they are attached to a single or multiple NIC cards. So name-based virtual hosting is name-based hosting, which uses host multiple virtual websites using a single IP address. Name-based is with a single IP, and IP is with different IPs for every website. Next is Apache command, common commands that we just use. As we know, we are going with Linux, and yes, here we use yum install httpd for Apache web server. To start the service, we use systemctl start httpd. To check the status, we go for systemctl status httpd, and then we go with, to check the Apache website, we go with curl localhost. So here where our website will appear, where the web server will be showing our website. So yes, this is all about Apache command, common command. That was about Linux web server. So we are done for the session. We have gone throughout our Linux system administration. We have seen the basics, the advanced, and the system administration. So after that, we'll see the labs. You people have to perform it, and you have to upload your files to the LMS platform of TechPledge so we can evaluate that. So here after that, I'll show you the demo labs, that what you have to perform. So let's take a stop over here and let's meet into the lab session.